Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me today. And let's have a look here, guys. There is the bike, the 2020 CVO Street Glide. And look at this, guys. That's the Indie Rich boot, the Night. And once again, I always have to show the box because it's such a nice box. And of course the boot here. So anyhow, as you guys know, when I did that unboxing and the review, and then later on the actually review on the boots, I really loved them. And I mentioned that it definitely won't be the last one. So when I was on the website, indieRichUSA.com, a little pop-up popped up and said, 3-4 times a year, Indie Rich has a big sale. Sign up so to get notified. Guess what? Of course, I signed up because I love the boots and sign up. So recently, I got an email saying that there's a fantastic sale. Buy a pair of boots, get a pair of gloves for free. Couldn't resist, guys. Had to do it. So let's do it. Let me show you guys what I got this time around. And before I do that, as you guys can see, the weather turned here in Vancouver. It's getting rainy. We're back in the rainy season. So those boots will be very well once we go riding and we make a cut in the rain. Stay tuned. Let's do the unboxing. And here is it, guys. Check it out. Again, look at the graphic on this box. Unbelievable once again. Steve at Indie Rich really does a fantastic job in making each product standing out just from the box alone. Never mind the product, but I just even love the graphics. And then right beside it, we got the gloves. And look at this. Comes in a nice little pouch as well. That's cool, man. Let's open them up, guys. Can't wait. What do you think, you guys, I picked? Look at this. Once again, we got the little brochure in there. Indie Rich, the Phoenix boot collection. And again, look at the graphic in here. The Art of Risk. Now let's open them up here. Let me see that I get that in a shot there. Ta-da! There it is, guys. It's a Comanche I picked. Look at this boot. Wow. So again, let me zoom it in here. You can see on the tag here, those are waterproof now. So from the ventilated, perforated one for summer riding into the fall and spring riding, especially here in Vancouver, with all the rain. Same sole. And again, this sole is actually fantastic. If you remember, I was wondering how this will work. You know, with the grip, but it's an awesome grip. This boot looks awesome. Look at the details again here in the back. The stitching, again, it's quality. It's absolutely quality, guys. So let me just take the second one out too. With all the tags and everything there. And again, everything is nicely lined up. And again, it has waterproof label right there. And then a little premium letter. And again, the tag with the same art that's on the box. Absolutely amazing. Once again, check it out, guys. Really can't wait to wear those boots. So just move this aside here. Now let's check out the gloves, guys. Again, comes in almost like a waterproof pouch, I guess. And again, it was basically buy one pair of boots. Oh look, there's another bag in here too. A dust bag almost. Wow. All Indie Rich products are backed by the life-free guarantee. And again, the promo was basically buy a pair of boots, get a pair of gloves for free. And you could pick any gloves on the website. There's several different gloves. Oh my gosh. Again, look at the packaging, guys. A little smiley card there. Again, the guarantee. Put that nicely there. And then again, being nicely packaged here as well. Here we go. It's a black and black and the brand new. It's like a summer glove. So we got the leather on the inside and kind of like a jeans material here on the outside, black and black, and it has a knuckle protection. And then also the fingertip here, so you still can use a smartphone, or of course on my bike would be the touchscreen. So let me try those on. Wow, perfect fit. Look at this, guys. Perfect fit. Really nice. Looking forward to ride with those. Obviously I picked the summer gloves because I need to wear gloves in the summer. I get burned pretty easy. So I picked those ones to ride in the summer. Again, check them out here. Absolutely fantastic. Let me get this second one out as well. Right there. Here we go. So here we have it. My whole collection now of Indie Rich boots. And like I mentioned before, I'm the Red Wing guy. But those are my new boots that I love, and especially on the motorcycle. Again, it's the Night here. The nice summer boot with the ventilation. And again, look at the box on that. And then, like I mentioned, there was a special offer: buy one pair of boot, get one pair of glove. So I went with the Comanche, the waterproof boot. And again, look at the box. Absolutely amazing. And then the gloves, you could pick any gloves on the whole website there. You weren't limited to this specific pair. So I picked the black and black. It's a brand new glove. And again, it has kind of like a jeans material here. And I picked that one because it's supposed to be a really nice glove for summer riding. All right, guys. We'll definitely put those boots on the next ride. Take it out. And then eventually I'll give you a review on those boots as well, just like I did on the Night there. But I already know they're going to be nice and comfortable, just like on the pair. Thanks for tuning in on this little video. And again, like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. And make sure you subscribe to IndieRichUSA.com and sign up for that special offer, guys. It's 3 to 4 times a year where Steve is putting a special offer out there. And you not sign up, you won't know. You'll miss it. It's by email invitation only. So again, IndieRichUSA.com, sign up like I did. You get a free pair of gloves, or who knows what the next promotion will be. See you down the road. Alright guys, like I did in my Indie Rich quickly unboxing there, I want to make sure you guys see my new boots on the bike as well. As you guys can see, it's a little bit overcast. We're heading down to the Oyster Run, and I'm wearing actually my new Indie Rich boots right now because tomorrow on our way back we're predicting 90% of rain. So I'll be definitely putting those boots to try tomorrow on the way back, since they are supposed to be waterproof. And let me guys tell you already again, I'm coming from Red Wings. I love my Red Wings. Those are very comfortable boots, but it always takes a little bit to actually wear them in. I got those, I unboxed them, I put them on, and they're comfortable. It feels like I had them on for 2 months already or something like that. And absolutely fantastic boot, the way they fit and everything like that. So let me just put my camera down here so you guys can see my new Indie Rich here. Like I said, I'm definitely gonna put them to the test tomorrow when we're gonna be in the rain. And again, here they are. And I believe those ones, since they're waterproof, you actually have to tie them all the way up, because if you leave a little bit open, obviously it
gets a chance that there's some rain will come in, and that's something we don't want to do. Hence we have the waterproof ones now. And again, it's a crisp 14, 15 degrees right now, and let me tell you, they definitely keep my feet warm at this point. And tomorrow I'm gonna be really interested how it's working out for me when the rain comes. We'll definitely keep you posted. But again, love my second pair of Indy Ridge. Steve, again, thank you very much for all your help. The offer, like I said on the website, was absolutely unbelievable. Again, folks, I strongly recommend you go on IndyRidgeUSA.com, sign up for the sales that Steve is hosting Indy Ridge 3 to 4 times a year. Again, you get a special invitation, a special email when a sale is happening. If you not sign up to that email list, you won't know. You won't know. It's not posted on the website. Good morning, everyone. So we're just heading back here from Anacortes from the Oyster Run, and as you guys can see, it's definitely raining all over the map, all up there. Vancouver is currently raining. It says like 90%. There's some drizzle right here, but it's on and off. But I definitely gonna have to put some rain gear on, my rain pants, because definitely gonna get into the rain. So I just want to say thank you very much for coming along. We had absolutely a blast at the 40th annual Oyster Run here in Anacortes. We're just gonna make our way home. Hopefully not gonna get too wet, and you know, definitely gonna be able to try out my new Indy Ridge boots here, the waterproof one. I'm just looking down at them, and again, guys, those boots are so comfortable. It's unbelievable. Again, we were riding down here yesterday with those boots and walking around all in Anacortes, and again, the brand new, first time I'm actually putting them on to come and ride with them, and definitely so comfortable walking around all in Anacortes and riding, just like I have those for a few months already. So definitely like him, and definitely will be a returning customer once again. Go to IndyRidgeUSA.com. Make sure you sign up for that couple 3 to 4 times a year sale, you know, because again, those boots here I got on that sale, and it was basically buy one pair boots, get a pair of gloves for free. So but you have to sign up to that email list, because that sale is by invitation only. It's not posted on the website or nothing. But anyhow, guys, again, appreciate you guys coming down here, and we'll see you down the road.
Just got back home, and as expected, we did get in the rain. The last half an hour or so it was raining pretty heavy, and it's kind of like blowing over right now. But I just wanted to quickly show you guys what the Indy Ridge looked like. So again, this is my rain gear here, and then with the Indy Ridge boots right there. They kind of look wet on the outside. Let me just show down the one as well. They look wet on the outside, but my feet are dry. So they are definitely waterproof, just like this jacket here, same idea. And again, awesome. I didn't have any cold feet or no nothing at all, and definitely tried them out today in the rain. And like I said, my feet are dry. The shoes itself on the outside, they look wet, but other than that, thumbs up. Awesome boots, great ride, and we will see you guys on the next one.